Hi guys, my name is Nandita and today we are going to discuss on a topic called disk drive components. So what is basically a disk drive? Disk drive is a technology which enables to read, write, delete or modify data on a storage disk. It is either a built-in or external component of a disk which manages the input-output operation. So there are basically two types of drive, that is HDD and SSD. Key components of a disk drive. So it is a disk drive implemented with all these key components. We'll see one by one. Platter. So a circular flat disk is known as platter. HDD consists of one or more platter. So data is recorded on this platter in a binary code, that is 0 and 1. Spindle. Spindle connects all the platter and is connected to a motor. So the motor rotates at a constant speed. The speed may be from 7200 rotation per meter to 10,000 rotation per meter. Controller. Controller is mounted at the bottom of a disk drive. It consists of microprocessor, internal memory, circuitry and firmware. Read-write head. So basically drive has two read-write head per platter. Read-write head changes the magnetic polarization on the surface of a platter when writing, and while reading data, this head detects magnetic polarization on the surface of a platter. So it has a microscopic air gap between the read-write head and platter, known as head flying height. A head trash generally results in data loss. So head trash occurs when read-write head accidentally touches the surface of a platter. Actuator arm. The actuator arm is a small arm that moves the read-write head assembly across the surface of a platter. So read-write head are mounted on the actuator arm assembly. So it basically helps the read-write head arm to move. Physical disk structure, that is track. Track are the concentric circle on the surface of a platter. Data is stored on this track in the form of a magnetic spots. So basically tracks are numbered starting from 0 from the outer edge. Each track is divided into small units called sector. It is the smallest unit of a data storage. Cylinder. A cylinder is a set of tracks that are all at a small distance from the center of a circle. So it basically consists of a set of tracks. Zone bit recording. So zone bit recording is a method used by HDD to increase the data capacity. Earlier on older disks, the outer track had a same number of sectors as the inner track, because of which data density was low, because of which the available space was not efficiently used. Zone bit recording utilizes the disk efficiently. So it groups the track into zone based on the distance from the center of a disk. So this is a platter without zone, this is a platter with zone, which is numbered from the outer zone starting from 0. Next is logical block addressing. So LBA is a newer way to address data on HDD. Earlier CHS was used. So this addressing method treats a hard disk drive as a linear array of data blocks. Each block on a drive has a unique LBA. So LBA offers several advantages over CHS addressing. That is simple to use because the only need to keep track of single number to access data. So LBA can be used for larger capacity drives because CHS work for small drives. Thank you.